Hello, hi Sakafet. I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making a spiced coconut loaf. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get baking. These are all the ingredients that we will be using today. The exact amount will be in the description bar below. All-purpose flour, eggs, candied fruits and raisins soaked in dark rum, coconut, butter, brown sugar, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, lemon rind, almond extract, baking powder, baking soda, some bitters, vanilla extract, and salt. Now I'm going to put the butter to melt in the microwave oven. We want to get that done first before we start so the butter can cool before we're ready to use it. In the meantime, I'm going to do my coconut. So this you want to do in the blender. And these coconut, I actually bought them frozen like this. So you can get them in the supermarket already cut and cleaned, and they usually will be in the frozen section. So I'm just going to take that, add a little bit of water to it and blend it. You want to add just enough water so you can blend it, not too much. See that coconut there now, it's all grated. Now I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredients together. So first I'm going to put the flour in. I can put my baking powder, baking soda, give that a little stir, and sugar. And I'm going to make sure the sugar is nice and soft here. So we want to get rid of all the lumps. We just kind of crush it a little bit with the spatula so we get all the sugar. And then I'm going to add my spices. So we have our ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt. Stir that in, get it all mixed in nicely. All right, so now I'm just going to set that aside, and then I'm going to do my wet ingredients. Eggs, we're going to crack these 3 eggs. I'm going to get these little eyes out. So I always take these out. You leave that in and your cake's gonna have a little fresh kind of taste to it. So we get that out. And then that's where your rind from your lemon comes in. So you mix that in there, and that's gonna cut that freshness from the egg. We're going to add the butter to that. Make sure that butter is nice and cool. You heat that up. Then your extracts. Well, that's going in now. And then we add that to our dry ingredients. So we're going to add that to the flour mixture. And now I can add my coconut and my raisins and fruit. the last one, the creme de la creme. Our fruits with the brown. Look at that. That's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Now I'm just going to let it sit while I get my pan ready, and at the same time I will turn my oven on. And we're just going to pour it in. So we are going to bake this at 350 Fahrenheit, and it should take about 40 to 45 minutes. I'm going to keep checking it. This cake is done. I checked it. It's baked. Look at that. And that's gonna taste so good. Let's take it out. It should come out pretty good. Yep, look at that. Okay, so let's dig in and try this delicious cake. So moist. See how moist that is? Lots of coconut and light. This is so good. And here you have it, our spicy coconut loaf. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again next time.